Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a PST file in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to back up your emails, archive old messages, or transfer your data to another computer. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account and give it a moment to load all your emails. You'll want to make sure everything is fully loaded before proceeding, as this ensures you're working with the most current version of your mailbox. This initial step is crucial because you need access to the File menu in Settings to create your PST file. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to navigate to the File menu. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are located. You'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is the gateway to most of Outlook's configuration and management options, including the ability to create and manage PST files. After clicking File, your screen will shift to show the Info tab and various account management options. Here you'll notice a drop-down labeled Account Settings. Click on it to reveal additional options. This is where Outlook allows you to manage everything related to your email accounts, including data files, profiles, and other important settings. An Account Settings window will appear on your screen. From here, you need to focus on the Data Files tab at the top of this window. Click on Data Files to access the section where you can view and manage all your existing PST files. This is the control center for your Outlook data storage. Now, to create a new PST file, look for the Add button and click on it. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to choose a directory folder where you want to save your new Outlook PST file. Take a moment to select a destination that makes sense for you, whether that's your Documents folder, an external drive, or a specific backup location. Once you've chosen your destination, click OK to save. Outlook will now create your PST file in that location, and you'll be able to use it for archiving or backing up your emails. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PST file in Outlook, giving you a powerful way to manage and protect your email data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.